In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a signature field in PandaDoc. First, log in to your PandaDoc account. Next, open the document or template where you want to add the signature, or you can upload your document just like me. Next, it will ask you to add recipients. Enter their email address and their name. You can also add more recipients by clicking on the Add Recipient button right below your first recipient, or you can skip this process if you're not sure who your recipients are and fill it later. Then after that, click Continue. Once the editor opens, look at the right-hand panel and select Fields. Now, drag the signature field onto the document and place it where the signer needs to sign. Assign the signature field to the correct recipient, like the client or yourself. If needed, resize or reposition the field so it fits properly. When you're done, save the document or click Send to request a signature. As I am sending to multiple recipients, it's asking me to purchase, but if you're sending for only one recipient, you can do that without purchasing. And that's it. That's how you add a signature field in PandaDoc. Thanks for watching.